If you're considering GeoTargetly for your business but aren't sure if it's the right choice, stick around because I'm going to walk you through 7 things you absolutely need to know before making a purchase. Whether you're new to geotargeting tools or have used other platforms, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what GeoTargetly offers and how it stacks up against the competition. First off, GeoTargetly is all about location-based targeting, which can be a game changer for businesses aiming to reach the right audience in the right place at the right time. But how does it compare to other geotargeting tools like Google Ads or Local Falcon? The key difference here is GeoTargetly's precision and flexibility when it comes to targeting specific geographic regions, even at the street level. This is especially useful if you're running local campaigns or need hyper-specific targeting. Next, the user interface. When you're working with tools that help you with location-based data, ease of use is crucial. GeoTargetly scores high in this area. It's not overly complicated, and its clean layout means you can start using it almost immediately without a steep learning curve. If you've used Google Ads for location targeting, you'll appreciate GeoTargetly's simplicity, which allows you to set up and manage geotargeting with ease compared to some more complicated, feature-heavy platforms. Now let's talk about pricing. GeoTargetly offers multiple pricing tiers depending on your business needs. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, there's a plan that fits your budget. Compared to competitors like Local Falcon, which can get quite expensive for detailed location data, GeoTargetly offers a more affordable solution without compromising on the quality of its features. You can even try GeoTargetly for free from the first link below to see if it's the right fit for your business. The fourth thing you should know is the level of customization. Unlike some geotargeting platforms that give you limited options to modify campaigns, GeoTargetly allows you to target based on a wide range of criteria, including device, language, and even time zone. This customization makes it an excellent choice for businesses that want to hone in on their specific audience, ensuring that your campaigns are tailored to each location's needs. Now, one feature that sets GeoTargetly apart is its advanced reporting. With GeoTargetly, you get in-depth reports on your geotargeting campaigns, which is crucial for businesses that want to track ROI and refine their strategies. Unlike many competitors, which often provide basic analytics, GeoTargetly gives you granular insights that allow you to optimize campaigns based on real-time data. This level of reporting can really make a difference when you're looking to scale your marketing efforts. Next, let's talk about integrations. GeoTargetly integrates seamlessly with other tools that you may already be using, such as Google Analytics and Google Ads. While some competitors have limited integration options, GeoTargetly makes it easy to connect with your existing workflows, which means less hassle and more time spent optimizing your campaigns. Another point to consider is customer support. GeoTargetly offers excellent customer service, which is crucial when you run into any issues. They provide quick responses and detailed troubleshooting, unlike some of the more frustratingly slow support systems you may encounter with other geotargeting tools. If you run a fast-paced business and need to resolve problems quickly, GeoTargetly's support team has got your back. The last thing I want to highlight is the overall scalability of the platform. Whether you're a startup or a large enterprise, GeoTargetly can scale with you. Unlike other platforms that might require an upgrade or completely different tool as your business grows, GeoTargetly adapts to your needs and ensures that you have the resources to expand your campaigns. This makes it a great long-term investment if you're looking for a reliable geotargeting tool that evolves with your business. To wrap things up, if you want to give GeoTargetly a try and see for yourself how it can benefit your business, click the first link in the description to get an exclusive free trial. Don't miss out on the chance to experience everything GeoTargetly has to offer and how it can take your geotargeting to the next level.